Today I want to review the Sonos Arc soundbar and the corresponding Sonos Sub version 3. It comes in this pretty incredible box. The packaging for the Sonos systems is pretty amazing. Their build quality is also very impressive. I've never seen packaging like this. I've done a lot of reviews of tech equipment, and have you ever seen a cardboard box with a lock on it? It's just baffling to me how much money they spent on their packaging. It's really Apple-like in its packaging. Actually, it really surpasses Apple because Apple's kind of simplifying their packaging. When you open the box, it comes in this really cool felt bag. So obviously the Sonos arrived in perfect shape, but their attention to detail is really what is impressive. Once I got it out of the bag and started the install, I went ahead and did a mount on the wall. And if you haven't done any audio-visual stuff in a while, you remember the old optical out? Well, that is now a thing of the past. They have a new thing called eArc, which is basically an HDMI port that can also just send out sound. You plug that into the soundbar, you plug it into the back of your TV with an eArc. Most of the newer TVs have an eArc port. Now for the sub connects wirelessly, but it also has an Ethernet connection which can connect into the back of the Sonos Arc, which is the soundbar. Now, of course, the Sonos sub is also packaged very well. It comes in its own felt case. It's very heavy, it's about 35 pounds, and it has two dual firing subwoofers that kind of face each other, and that helps with a lot of reverberation. Now, I apologize for my man cave being pretty messy. I have two small kids, so it's not the most beautiful install in the world. But I'm gonna try to make it look better later with some channeling. But I just wanted to give you an idea of what it looks like. This little mount is really cool. It's got this these two little tabs you screw into the back of the Arc, and then you just slide it down into it. Another way this device is very similar to Apple products is the software setup. It's very easy to connect, to get it set up, get it going. And it also, of course, has built-in Apple AirPlay, it has built-in Google Voice Assistant, built-in Amazon Alexa Assistant, and you can turn these off and on as you need them. Another really cool thing I really liked was when you do get it all set up, it has this thing called True Sound where it will basically listen to your whole room, and it will adjust the soundbar to the room size and kind of tweak it. You can also add tons and tons of music services. So you can add, of course, Pandora and Spotify and YouTube music and things like that. Getting the sub connected was a little bit more of a pain because you have to hold the phone right next to the sub, and it basically uses NFC, which is near field communications, and it connects to the phone, and then you get it set up. The sound quality is incredible. So another cool thing about the Sonos Arc is not only is it a soundbar and a great sounding soundbar, and I wish I could play music and stuff to show you, but because of copyright I can't, but it also has this. Hey Google, what's the weather outside?
Currently in Dunedin, it's 71 degrees and mostly cloudy. Today, there will be scattered thunderstorms with a forecasted high of 90 and a low of 69.